Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo to multiple photos automatically using Photoshop. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just drag your photo into Photoshop, then tap on this window, go to this actions, create a new set, and then simply add an action to this. Now it records your actions. Now go to file and then place embedded. Now select the logo, then place it at the correct position and size like this. Then simply tap on this pause here. Now after that, now test if the action works properly before running it in bulk. It works. Now we can close this document, then go to scripts and then image process. Select the folder here containing the photos that should have a logo. Now simply tap on this here. Now select the folder where you want the photos with logo to be saved. Change the quality as desired. Then tap on this save as JPG. Now we can select the action that was just created here and activate the script. And as you can see, it's working. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add a logo to multiple photos in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.